of waterfall. Now, so the tree of astral pole. Passing through single pole. You're here. Excellent. We don't have much time, so pay close attention. This is the astral ring. It has more power than you can imagine, and Dormammu will do anything to get it. We need to hide it someplace where Dormammu can't find it. And for that, I need a powerful relic from the cabinet of Caballeros. This cabinet serves as a vault for the most powerful relics of all time. The Wand of Utu and the Axe of Agarumus have at one time or another been hidden within. And if you knew what those things were, you'd be acting a lot more impressed. We need the Sorcerer's Silk. The astral ring has a mind of its own, and it must be contained before it finds its way back to the dark dimension. This silk will hide the ring from Dormammu. There, it is safe for now. I need all of you to... Oh no, that is not good. I have to go back in time to recover the astral ring. Everyone, stay where you are. I'll be back 5 minutes ago. We don't have much time, so pay close attention. This is the astral ring. It has more power than you can imagine, and Dormammu will do anything to get it. We need to hide it someplace where Dormammu can't find it. And for that, I need a... Did you open this? No. Of course, the source... Of course, yes. The Sorcerer's Silk didn't work. Well, we'll have to try something else. We'll alter the ring's molecular structure and transform it. That way, Dormammu won't recognize it. Bring me Milan's box of transformation. This will allow me to manipulate the fabric of the ring's reality. By the power of the law, Hulk, anew, transform. Close. Yes, I see you're easily impressed. Cute, but it won't do. It's not good enough. It won't be long before Dormammu realizes what we've done, which might lead him here to this Ancient Sanctum. I must harness spectral energy to create a spectral shield to protect this campus, ourselves, and the astral ring. But to create a spectral shield, I need the spectral staff. But where the staff is, I cannot say. To locate the staff, I'll need your help. Our task is to locate the staff in whatever dimension it resides, and we can navigate there together. Together, using our focus on the dimensional map. The quantum realm. Nowhere. Asgard. Listen closely and follow along in your minds. I will lead you through a series of choices. Choices you will make on your own. But don't speak your choices aloud. We dare not risk influencing the fragile threads of the multiverse. Notice the possibilities. The various locations that the staff may be. Xandar, the London Sanctum, and even Westview. The map is governed by the power of numbers, as described in the Book of the Vishanti, which reveals that key numbers can unlock secrets of the multiverse. Now, to locate the spectral staff, think of your own mystic number between 5 and 15. Any number between 5 and 15. For example, you, recruit, what is your name? That is correct. Caroline, please, give us a number between 5 and 15. 7. Any reason for that number? No, alright, we're off to a good start. If your mystic number were 7, starting from our home base, the California Sanctum, you will move 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, bringing you to Wakanda. You, recruit, please give me a number between 5 and 15. No. Any reason for that number? That's alright. If your mystic number were 9, once again, from our home base, you will move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, bringing you to the Hong Kong Sanctum. There are many possibilities. Again, this is your choice. I will not influence you. Now, all of you, focus, concentrate. Think of your own mystic number between 5 and 15. I will count aloud, and when you reach your number, I want you to stop and stay there. Many of you will be in different places, and that's all right. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on. Good. Now, from the space you are on, I want you to move in the opposite direction. The same number you just moved, the same mystic number, only moving backwards, or clockwise, as I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. When you finish, keep your mind where you land. Now, I know you're not in Westview, so we'll take that away. And your energies are not on Sakar, or the New York Sanctum, or Hollow. Now, listen closely. Time is of the essence. Final move. You may go clockwise or counterclockwise. The choice is yours. Now, not counting the empty spaces, I want you to move 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now stop and stay there. I know you're not at the London Sanctum, and you're not in nowhere. And your energies are not focused on Xandar either. Keep your mind on your location. Ah, yes, I can sense where most of you have arrived. Asgard. The spectral staff is on Asgard. Well done. By the power of the Vishanti, I summon the spectral staff from the vaults of Asgard. Hello, Thor.
Oh, hello, wizard. He's a friend from work.
A friend from work.
Yes, that's right.
Yes, Thor, I have a very important question for you. Very unexpected you're here. You have the spectral staff, right?
The spectral what?
The spectral staff.
Yes, I have no idea what that is.
Thor, the dimensional map is never... Wait, why on earth do you have this?
This is my coffee.
Your coffee.
Yes, it's my favorite mug.
Interesting.
I use it every morning.
Give me that, you Asgardian. You know.
That was my favorite.
Prepare the Listen, Thor, why don't you go find another favorite mug over at Pimm's? I hear they have mugs and drinks bigger than you, and
Oh, bigger than me?
yes, and I have an open tab. You can have whatever you want.
Anything I want.
Anything you want.
All right, you little wizard. Drinks are on here. Everybody to Pimm's. Let's go. Farewell, you guardians.
Very busy, Thor. We'll see you later. Isn't he wonderful? Yes, well, thankfully, I don't have an open tab, but you did not hear that from me. Yes, of course, the Urn of Undor. All right. Pimm's Apartments. Oh, smile. Oshtor Stone. Yes, I'll join Oshtor Stone with the urn of Udor. That should work. By the shield of Seraphim. The spectral staff. Your model is the cost. Now, to create the spectral shield, we all need to harness our energies like this. Now, repeat this spell. By the power of the Bashanti. That's all you got? We all need to be more like this one right here, all right? I need everyone to participate. I need everyone's energies, or this won't work. By the power of the Bashanti. We create the spectral shield. By the power of the Bashanti. We create the spectral shield. Wonderful. Now, all together with me. By the power of the Bashanti, we create the spectral shield. We're ready. By the power of the Bashanti, we create the spectral shield. Keep it going. By the power of the Bashanti, we create the spectral shield. By the power of the Bashanti, we create the spectral shield. To protect this campus. Ourselves. Hey, against cooling. Yes, you truly protected this Ancient Sanctum, and our reality is safe because of your power. Each of you possesses great potential in the mystic arts. Thank you. Some more than others. Now, carry on in your journey. You have helped the Avengers far more than they'll ever know. And you get used to it. Now, there's so much to do and so little time. May the all-seeing eye, Agamotto, guide you safely. Farewell. For now.